Hello guys, today I will teach you how to import assets from Unity Asset Store and import it. So let me show you first one thing I have seen. If you can see this scene, first download this one. Okay, first I will show you this scene. We download all these assets from a Unity Asset Store free. I made few of them, but the vehicles and trees, skybox I download and import it from Unity Asset Store. Let me show you how I did it first. We will load this scene and unload this one. First we will click on the Windows Package Manager. Here is we will select my assets. First let me show you if you want to import a skybox. If here is a lot of skyboxes, but make sure all these files, all these are already I downloaded in Unity Asset Store, so that's why I can see it here. If you didn't download this, you are not able to see it here. Okay, here all I download all these assets. For the video I just download a low, it's 865 MB freestyle light. It's 24 MB free. It's 246. It's 29. Let me download this one HDRI Sky. So it's already downloaded. So we will just import it. Press on import. Import yes. Cartoon anime style as HDRI. Let's wait for it. It's done. We can see skybox hand painted. Yes, HDRI. Let me show you. Just press drag and drop here. It is the one. Here you can rotate this skybox. Here is the second one, and there is a third one. Now, I think this one, the first one, was okay. And one more thing, again, go to the package manager. This time, you should download something else. Show you again. There is internet issues. So left this because I think there is a internet issue, but I already download something here. Let me just create a plane here. Yes, I have already a material black. So I already downloaded some cars and other things. Here is a car model. Let me show you. I import it like the way how we import the skybox. Here is car one. Just drag and drop. F for focus. Let me show. It's the one car. That's how you can import anything from Unity Asset Store inside a Unity. Here is a car 2. Let me maximize it. Yeah, like that. So that's how you can import anything. So on something maybe like if you want to download something, but by default it comes from the Unity itself. So I will show you how it works. Press on a package manager. Here you will not click on a my assets. Here you will click on Unity registry. You can see all these packages. It's already available inside your Unity. Here 2D pixel art, animation and rigging, all these. You can just press on install and it will install it. We already have other skyboxes. Let me show you. Here is Sky series freebie. This one. You know, this one is amazing. Let's try it. Just set a camera here. Let's increase the size of the plane. Yeah, it's look amazing. So that's how we can import assets from a Unity asset store and use it in our project. So this was how we done other projects, and today how we done this one. So this was in today's video. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel.